shipbuilding, refinery, aircraft, industrial. Everything, everywhere. Pentascope. New concept, air vacuum cleaner. What makes Pentascope air vacuum cleaner special? It can be operated safely in any places since it doesn't require electricity. Pentascope air vacuum cleaner is operated by airjet. Don't worry, there's no risk from electric shocks or possible fires. Air vacuum cleaner can be utilized across diverse industrial sites. It is suitable for dry applications, wet applications. It can also be used perfectly for dry and wet mixed applications. Air vacuum cleaner is lightweight. Operating without electric motors and electric components makes the air vacuum cleaner lighter and easier to use. Air vacuum cleaner has multiple accessories that can be used for various applications. Change versatile inlets for different occasions. It can be used in any industrial places, indoor or outdoor. Also, regardless of the weather. Cleaning made easy. Air vacuum cleaner. No electricity, more ability. We have major clients across diverse industries. Pentascope air vacuum cleaner has been certified as outstanding technology. Cleanliness, another technology. Pentascope, new concept, air vacuum cleaner.